What's up, makers? My name is Luke. Today we're going to learn about wind power by creating our own paper windmill.
Wind power has been around for a long time. When the wind turns the blades of a windmill, it spins a turbine inside a small generator to produce electricity, just like a coal generating station, except for a lot cleaner. To make enough electricity to serve lots of people, utility companies build wind farms with many turbines. Wind farms are built in flat, open areas where the wind blows at least 14 miles per hour. In these areas, giant wind turbines are used to harness wind energy and turn it into electricity. Let's get started building our own paper windmill. Let's go! For this project, you will need a paper cup, a drink can, some tape, a pair of scissors, some straws, and a pencil. Start by cutting off the bottom of the can, but stop. Ask an adult for help, and please be safe. Be careful as you are cutting, and keep cutting all the way down to the very bottom of the can. Once again, ask an adult for help if you need it. After cutting all the way down, test to see if it will spin. Now take your pencil and poke 4 holes in the bottom of the cup. I recommend taking your pencil and poking one hole all the way through to the other side, and then rotating your cup and doing the same thing. Now poke 1 hole in the very center of the bottom of the cup. Now take your scissors and cut the cup in half. Now put the can piece in the cup with the round part at the top. Push the metal down firmly into the cup. Now take your scissors and trim the cup down to the metal. Test to see if it will spin. If it doesn't spin, keep trimming the paper down to the metal. Now test to see if it will spin again. If it does, great! You're ready to tape the edges of the metal to the cup. Check and make sure that the round section in the middle is taller than the rest of the cup. This is what enables your paper windmill to spin. Tape the other edge of your metal to the cup and keep trimming. Awesome! Now cut your straws. I have some bendy straws, so I'm going to cut just on either side of the bendy section. Now put the straws in the holes. Now we are ready to test. Grab another straw and blow air through a straw to test it. It works! Fantastic! This is just a micro example of the power of wind power. Remember, when the wind turns the blades of a real windmill, it spins a turbine inside a small generator to produce electricity, creating a cleaner, more sustainable power source for our planet.
Thanks for watching this video. Share your creation online using the hashtag #ITeachMaker. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media @ITeachMakerBus. See you later, makers!